Hello and welcome back to growNglow channel. My name is Pascal. Sorry it's a bit noisy here. I'm on the front near the highway. Today I am going to do a video about jalapenos. I don't normally grow jalapenos. I grow super hots, and I have been growing them since 14 years or something like that, 15 years. And as you see, I have Carolina Reapers here, and I have some habaneros here. They're turning yellow. But this year I decided to grow some jalapenos because they grow very, very quickly. They take a little bit longer to ripen. I have about 20 plants of them there, but when they were green I was testing some of them and I got absolutely no heat. Now my wife, when she eats it, she got some heat from them. And then I'm so worried, why are these jalapenos? I'm going to take one off here. I don't use any chemicals, so I don't really need to wash it. And I don't think there's any dirt on it. It has a little bit of corking on it, but it's ripe. It's ripe as it's going to get. I'm going to taste it. Now, it tastes nice. It's a tiny bit spicy. It's spicy, but maybe it's because I'm so used to growing super hots. This one is spicier than the last one. The last one I had nearly no spice at all in it. So why are these jalapenos losing all their spice? Are they breeding the spiciness out of them? I'm pretty sure they are. I bought these seeds randomly online. I'm not going to say which one. I just bought random ones online. When they brought out about 30 years ago, they brought out what's called TAM or TAM, TAM 1, and then they made them bigger. But these are not TAM, and then TAM 2. They had TAM 2 then that came out, and they were like very long, and these are not derivative of them, I don't think, because jalapenos make nice salsa. Most of the crop will go to the factory, and then they will be processed into a salsa. And they artificially make it hot by using capsicum. It's called oleoresin capsicum. And they add that to the sauces so that they can make one not so hot, the next one medium, the next one. So the humble jalapeno is only being used for its flavor and its texture, not for its spiciness anymore. So the companies are making them purposely with no spice or next to no spice. And then they can control the spiciness by putting additives, not really additives. It is capsicum, it's pure capsicum. Oleoresin capsicum is actually a natural. So these ones are, I grew them maybe to put into food, not to make salsa, and they are not much good for spicing up my food. I will have to add some. But I am very lucky because I have very lucky that I have some Carolina Reapers here, and I have these lovely yellow habanero, and they are nice and spicy. I will not eat a whole one of them. Well, I have eaten a whole one of them, but my face will go all red. You probably saw a video before. So these jalapenos are you can ferment them and put them into hot sauce by adding some of the super hots like the Reaper or habanero, and then you can spice up your spice. So you're in effect doing what the factories are doing. But they do taste nice. And there is a little bit of a aftertaste of this one. The one I had before had no spice at all in it. But maybe I need to leave them for a couple of days. There is corking on them, but very little. Some of them have more than others. That's not going to affect the flavors like some people say. The flavors, they'll be more spicy in the hot weather, and it's hot weather here all the time. So that's my short video, my short rant on the humble jalapeno losing its heat, and reasons why. You can do some research yourself on why. They all tell different story, but I think they are breeding them to have less heat in them, so they can control the heat of the final product, which is the salsa or the sauce. that they are selling, and that's what most jalapenos are used for, because they are nice and fruity as well. And this is fruity, but this one has a little bit, but I've eaten the seeds, of course, as well, which I always do. So thank you very, very much for watching. If you like this video or any of our other videos here on growNglow, please subscribe.